Today on Fun Cooking, we're going to make a seasoned rice in, yes, the crock pot. Come on back and I'll show you how we're going to do it. So the ingredients we're going to be using today will be chicken stock, salt, white rice, defrosted frozen green peas, diced pimento, crushed red pepper, and turmeric. Traditionally, you want to use saffron, but that can be kind of pricey, and the turmeric will give our rice the yellow color that we need. And all we're going to do is simply pour the rice, the pimentos, red pepper, turmeric, and chicken stock into our little crock. Now I'm using a 2.5 quart crock. Since this is a side, we really don't want to make a huge amount. Put the lid on this. I'm going to cook it on low for about 4 hours. When we get to that point, I'll bring you back and show you what we're going to do with these. Okay, our rice is ready for the next step, so let me grab that real quick. Okay, so take off the lid. It's nice and steamy. I'm going to grab a fork, fluff it up a little bit, and I'm just going to pour these peas in. Stir them around a little bit. Okay, we're going to put the lid back on now that they're mixed in and return it to the sleeve for about 30 minutes until the peas are warmed. Then I'll be back and we'll try it. Okay, so time's up. Our rice should be ready and our peas hot. Let's go ahead and take a look and see how this is doing. Looks really fine to me. Give it a little more of a fluff. Oh yeah. I'm going to dip up just a little bit of this. Where'd all our red stuff go? It's in there hiding. Let's go ahead and give this a taste. And that's what this is for. We don't want to salt it to begin with because it'll be too salty, and everybody has their own salt preferences. Much better. So the next time you have a busy day planned, you can throw this in the crock pot, cook it while you do your things, and it'll be ready when you get home. If you want the full recipe, go to www.funcookingchannel.com, click on the recipe tab at the top and you'll be able to find it in the list, or you can click on this little icon right here and it'll take you right to the recipe. Y'all have a good day. I'll see you next time.